Hi everyone, this is Vivek. Welcome to third video of On Signal Push Notification series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can dynamically navigate to different pages upon clicking on the notification. So if you haven't watched previous two videos, please be sure to watch those videos as we are starting from the app we have left from second video. So here I have the app up and running in my mobile device, as you can see here as well. So if I send notification now and click on the notification, it will redirect us to the home page. Like upon clicking on the notification, we will be landed on the home page. But what we are trying to achieve is to land on different pages like notifications page, or if it is about the pricing drop, if the notification is about the pricing drop, then we can land on pricing page. Okay, so the use case might be different, or there are many use cases, but we'll see how we can achieve dynamic routing upon click on the notification. Okay, first of all, let's make one folder named utilities. So there we'll keep some global variables. Okay, so let me create a folder named utilities, and now create a new file named globals.dart. Now we'll make one library so that we can import it everywhere and use the variable declared here. Okay, so let me give it a name, notification dot globals, and let's import the material package. Now we have to make a global key of navigation state, and we are going to give it a name app navigator. So this variable is responsible or it is used to navigate to different screens upon clicking on the notification. Okay, actually it is a navigator state, I guess. Okay, and let me close this with a semicolon, and here the non-null variable must be initialized, so we will initialize it later in the main.dart file. So let me make it nullable as of now. Now let's go to the main.dart file and import it. Okay, import dot slash utilities slash globals.dart, and we will use alias here as globals. And okay, let's do initialize the variable that we have declared in this globals file. Okay, so we can simply write globals dot app navigator is equals to, it is a global key that will hold a navigator state. Okay, navigator state, and we can close this. Now we have to pass this app navigator in our material app. Okay, so here if you hover in the material app, you can see the option of navigator key of type that we have mentioned, that is global key of type navigator state. So we will pass that global key. Okay, so what's the property name? Navigator key. Navigator key is globals dot app navigator. Okay, so we have successfully set up the app navigator stuffs. Now we can use this globals.app navigator to dynamically route in different pages. Okay, so in the one signal configuration, we have to listen on click method. So just add the method name on signal dot notifications dot, and you can see add click listener, and this will provide a void function and it will provide the notification event. So just make a function here having a notification. Okay, so this event variable will contain different notification. Actually the notification that user have clicked, and we will make use of that notification later in the video. But for now, if somebody click on the notification, we want to navigate to notifications screen. So let's make a notification screens here. Click on, so inside the screens folder we are going to make notification underscore screen dot. So let's import the material package. Let's make a stateless widget named notification screen, and let's return scaffold app bar, and let's give a title text. This is a notification screen, and inside body let's just provide some text in the center. Okay, I'm just showing like how we can navigate to this page. Okay, in the center let's provide a child property with this text. Hey, you are in notification page. So now let's go back to the main.dart file, and let's make use of that global variable. Okay, globals dot app navigator dot. Okay, let's use a not null operator here. Okay, so this operator will ensure that app navigator variable is not null, and we can use the current state, and let's use not null here also, and then we can use push method. Okay, dot push, and we can provide a material page route, and in the builder we will return notification screen. Okay, so let me close this with the semicolon, and I think we are good to go. So let's try sending a notification and clicking on it. Okay, so in the previous video we have set up the sending notification with the API stuff, so make sure that you watch that video, otherwise it will not work. So here I'm providing demo notification, and this is notification description. Okay, now click on send notification, and I guess notification is arrived. Now click on notification, and you see, okay, we are not navigated. Okay, we are supposed to be navigated to the notification screen. So let's try this by restarting the app. Okay, okay, we are in the notification screen after restarting. Okay, okay, let's try it again. So if it doesn't work, we will see how it works. Okay, so Let me enter random text. I will clear this result. So now click on send notification. Notification is arrived. Now click on the notification and now it works. Okay, I think it is the issue with the restart, or that code haven't been implemented previously. Now we have successfully arrived in this notification screen upon clicking on the notification, and it will work either you are in foreground or background. Okay, so now we can, as I have mentioned, like we can dynamically navigate it to different pages. So we can achieve that by making use of additional data that we can send while sending a notification to the users. Okay, so in some cases I have to land users on different pages, then we can make use of the additional data we have sent and we will navigate on the basis of that data. Okay, so let's make another screen. I will name it a random screen. Okay, random screen dot, and I will just copy the content from the notification screen. Here what I just did, Control A, Control C. In the random screen, I'll just change the name. Okay, random screen. And let me quickly change this data. Random screen. Here you are in the random page. So now I will show you how you can dynamically like navigate to home screen and random screen on the basis of the data you have sent. Okay, so let's go to the OnSignal documentation once and we'll see how we can send the additional data. So just search for onsignal.com and go to the documentation, click on server REST API reference, and now click on create notification, click on push notification, and if you can scroll down, you can see the option of you can see the different options that you can add in your notification, and we already see how we can add contents and headings. Now you can send additional data. Okay, additional data, and we can navigate on the basis of the data we have sent here, and we can simply send a map of data. And if you are having a e-commerce app, you can directly land user to the particular product on the basis of the data sent here, and you have to configure the navigation on the basis of the data. So we are not into e-commerce right now, but I will show how you can conditionally navigate on the basis of the data that you have sent by the notification. Okay, so we have to send the map inside this data field. Okay, so let's go back to the code and go to the notification service, and here in the body I have to pass data, and as you see in the documentation we have to pass in the key value form. So here I can pass the page key, and it can be if I type random screen random, then I will navigate to the random. If it is notification here, then I will navigate to the notification. Okay, so let's go with the random first and set it up quickly. Okay, and here is the mobile. So let's go back to the main.dart file. Okay, you can like separate this function in some other class. So if it is long in main file, it will look messier. So now I will first access the data by the notification. Okay, so let me write map string comma dynamic, but it is nullable. Okay, so some notification may contain additional data or some may not, so we have to make nullable. Let me write additional data, and you can get this additional data from this event variable. Okay, event dot notification dot additional data. Okay, and let's close this. And now let's check if additional data is null or not. So if additional data is not null, then we can conditionally navigate it to different pages. Okay, so let's check if okay, if additional data page is equals to random. So if the value of page keyword in the additional data map is random, then we will navigate to the random screen that we have previously created, else we will navigate to the notification screen. Okay, so let me copy this, else. So let me just change this to random screen. So let me reload or restart the app again, and we'll see either we'll be redirected to the random screen or not. Okay, so we must be landed on the random screen because we are providing this random value in the page key. Okay, like you can see here in the page key we are providing random. It doesn't work because we forget to remove this line. Okay, like if additional data is not null, then it is going to be executed anyway. So let me get it from this, and let's add some print statement here. Okay, print random page is executed. Else notification page is executed. So let's restart the app again and try it. I think app is now restarted. So let's send notification. Now click on send notification. Notification is arrived. Now click on notification, and here we are in the random screen. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems or confusion while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.